So one of the biggest questions that I get asked as a chiropractor is, Jake, what is that pop sound that we hear during a chiropractic adjustment? And the first thing I want to make known is that it is nothing cracking, it is not bones breaking, it is simply pressure that is built up in the joints of your spine. Now, when you look at the human spine, okay, we have all of these joints called facet joints, and they constantly move on top of each other. And these facet joints have fluid in them called synovial fluid, okay? And the job of that fluid is to help these joints move freely and smoothly, just like putting oil in the engine of your car, okay? Now, when you go through your daily life dealing with poor posture, stresses, twisting, turning, running, lifting, jumping, martial arts, gymnastics, literally anything, and then combine that with your body weight and gravity constantly pushing down on your spine with axial compression, well, now you have pressure built up in these joint capsules, okay? So, that's what our job is as chiropractors. When we restore motion into these joints, what happens is it causes a quick change in pressure, which then causes gas, mostly nitrogen gas, to be released from that fluid, and that's the pop sound you hear, okay? Just like that. So, especially like whenever you're walking, okay, your spine's trying to distribute the stresses evenly across these facet joints. So if only one side's working better, well, now it'll put more stress on this side, and your body's gonna have to now compensate, okay? So, think about it this way. When you're walking down the street with a heavy bag of groceries in your right hand, it'll feel heavy and lopsided and difficult. But if you distribute the weight evenly in both hands and walk, it makes it much more easier and comfortable, okay? That's why chiropractic care feels so good, okay? So, the pop and the crack, it has really nothing important to do with anything other than it's just part of being a chiropractor. It's just like pressure buildup in a soda can, crack the top, pressure released, okay? And it just feels good. So, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys today about, and if you like this, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.